Hello, thank you for coming. I'm going to show you this bear. This is a little tip for the diaper cake makers. My daughter had got 2 diaper cakes made for her baby shower. One of them, I don't have the other one because I took it apart. Well, she took it apart after I thought about doing a video. And the first one, the lady had, whoever made it, put a lot of hot glue on the bear's fur. And it was so much that we had to cut the fur off. And she lost a lot of Pampers. A lot of the supplies that the lady used for the diaper cake, we had to throw away because, not the bear, but throw away because the glue was stuck all over it. The bear, so a patch of the bear fur is missing. But this is the second diaper cake, and I like the way she did this one. This diaper cake, you was able to use everything that was on the diaper cake due to the fact this is how she attached hers. And I did a video, I'm doing this video for all the diaper cake makers, so you might have other options. I'm not quite sure if you know about this, but I thought it was neat. She got this thing. Well, I don't know where she got hers from, but you can get these from the dollar store. It's like 4 in a pack in the party section. But she has the bear on here with stick pins. And she just attached them like this. So when she goes to put them in a diaper cake like that, you're able to use everything. And this was a stick. She had the stick in there. And this was inside the bouquet of diapers. And all around the diaper cake, she had that. And this is another one that came out of this same diaper cake. And she didn't use, the other lady used hot glue on items. This lady used rubber bands and a stick, so it was just like stuck in there. So she was able to unravel this. This is a receiving blanket. Unravel this, and you could use everything. So this one was able to use everything on the diaper cake because she used the stick pins. So it was a lot of stick pins in there. That's how she put the ribbons on and everything with the stick pins. Versus the other lady, she used a lot of hot glue, and we had to cut a lot of the bear fur. She lost a lot of the Pampers and things of that nature. This is a little tip for all the diaper cake makers, and I hope this helped.